Disable the Choose an Operating System boot menu in Windows 11, quick step-by-step. Press Windows, type msconfig, and press Enter to open System Configuration. Switch to the Boot tab and pick your default operating system from the list. Change the timeout value to 0, click Apply, then OK to set it. Restart your PC to test. If the menu still appears, proceed to advanced steps. Warning: editing boot settings and the registry can break startup. Backup first. Open Registry Editor. Press Windows + R, type regedit, then Enter. Export a full registry backup from HKY_local_machine before making changes. To back up the BCD, use Load Hive on HKY_local_machine and export the BCD file. Open an elevated command prompt and run bcddit/timeout0, then press Enter. To restore, run bcddit/timeout30 or import your saved registry Hive. That's it. Always keep backups, test reboot, and follow on-screen captions for each step.